What happened? Let me try again. Hey!
Hello, Daddy!
Hello, children. Hey, what do you have there?
It's an air cannon.
It's an air cannon. Was it you just now? Wow, how does this...
Standing right here.
You're standing over there and you're shooting. How does this work?
Air.
Like this? Do I hold this like that? Yeah? Everyone, how to make a simple version with a few things you can find at home. What you need is a
Cup.
plastic cup, some black tape, a balloon, scissors, and pen knife. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we need to cut a hole at the bottom. Alright? Okay, so we have cut a hole at the bottom of the plastic cup. The next thing, what do we need to do?
Put the balloon on.
So we have to cut the balloon. Stretch it. And then we have to cut the balloon somewhere here. You want to do it?
Cut it.
Yes. Okay, so we snip out part of the balloon.
Yeah.
Next,
We don't need this.
we don't need that. We need to stretch the balloon
over the cup.
over the cup. Okay.
This isn't a very powerful air cannon. The most powerful.
Okay, and then what we're going to do next is we put the black tape around here. Okay, and there you have it. This is a simplified
Very simple
air cannon. So let me show example how this can work. So please hold this tissue paper. Okay, start moving. 1, 2, 3. Wow, this is powerful. Let me try again, a bit further away. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Whoa. Okay, children, so do you have fun?
Yes.
You had fun? Yeah, Daddy had fun as well. So I hope everyone enjoy
Enjoy
the video and do try this out at home, making a simple air cannon.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay.